GEP, the Slow English Podcast.
Your journeys start now. Hello, English learners. Welcome to your podcast.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here.
Today, we talk about something very common.
Yes, many learners feel this way.
Do not worry. We speak slowly. You can follow us.
You are in a safe place here. We help you.
Our topic today is why your mouth freezes.
This happens to many people. It is normal.
When you speak English, your mouth feels stuck.
Words do not come out easily. You feel nervous.
But today, we learn why this happens, and we learn how to stop it.
Yes, this is very helpful for you.
Let's start our conversation now. First, what does mouth freezes mean?
It means your mouth stops working.
Yes, you want to speak, but no sound comes out.
This happens to beginners a lot.
It also happens to people who study for years.
So do not feel bad about it.
Why does this happen? Let me explain.
Yes, tell us why.
Your brain thinks in your language first.
Then it tries to change to English. This takes time.
While your brain works, your mouth waits.
The waiting makes you nervous. Your mouth gets scared.
Fear makes your mouth freeze even more.
But this is normal. You are not broken.
Now we understand the problem better.
Great. Let's keep learning.
Why does fear make your mouth freeze?
Fear comes from making mistakes.
You are afraid people will laugh.
You are afraid you sound silly.
These fears are very strong.
But mistakes help you learn.
Every mistake is a teacher.
When you make a mistake, you learn the right way.
So mistakes are good, not bad.
Yes, be happy for your mistakes.
Another fear is speaking too slowly.
Yes, learners worry about this a lot.
But speaking slowly is fine.
It is better than not speaking at all.
Take your time. Breathe. Think.
Your listeners will wait for you.
You are in control of your speed.
Now, let's talk about how to stop the freeze.
Now we learn how to stop the freeze.
Yes, this is the important part.
Tip number 1. Practice alone first.
Speak to yourself in English every day.
Talk to your mirror. It helps a lot.
No one hears you. You can make mistakes.
What is the second tip?
Tip number 2. Use simple words.
You do not need hard words.
Simple words work perfectly fine.
Book is better than tome.
Happy is better than elated.
Say what you know. Keep it simple.
Tip number 3. Make mistakes on purpose.
That sounds strange. Why?
If you make mistakes on purpose, you lose the fear.
You practice being wrong. It gets easier.
Then real mistakes do not scare you.
Tip number 4. Listen a lot first.
Your brain needs to hear English many times.
Listen to simple podcasts. Listen to songs.
Listen while you walk. Listen while you cook.
Your mouth will learn the sounds naturally.
Yes, this is very powerful.
How do we build real confidence?
Confidence comes from small wins.
Start with tiny goals.
Goal 1. Say one English sentence today.
Just one sentence is enough.
Tomorrow, say 2 sentences.
Every day, add one more sentence.
This builds your confidence slowly.
Another way, find a friend to practice with.
A friend makes practice fun.
You can help each other.
You can laugh together about mistakes.
Laughing makes practice easier.
Also, write down new words every day.
Writing helps your memory work better.
Read your words aloud. Say them many times.
Your mouth learns the shapes of words.
Soon, words come out automatically.
You are doing great. Keep going.
Remember, every expert was once a beginner.
Now we learn new words.
Vocabulary time. Let's do it.
Word number 1. Freeze.
Freeze means to stop moving.
When your mouth freezes, it stops working.
Example, my mouth freezes when I speak English.
Say it with me. Freeze.
Word number 2, nervous.
Nervous means you feel scared or worried.
It is normal to feel nervous.
Example, I am nervous about my English class.
Say it with me. Nervous.
Word number 3. Mistake.
A mistake is when you do something wrong.
Mistakes help you learn.
Example, making mistakes is good for learning.
Say it with me. Mistake.
Word number 4, confidence.
Confidence means you believe in yourself.
You can build confidence step by step.
Example, I am gaining more confidence now.
Say it with me. Confidence.
Word number 5. Fear.
Fear is feeling scared of something.
Do not let fear stop you.
Example, fear of mistakes holds many learners back.
Say it with me. Fear.
Word number 6, practice.
Practice means doing something many times.
Practice makes you better.
Example, I practice English every day.
Say it with me. Practice.
Word number 7. Simple.
Simple means easy, not complicated.
Use simple words first.
Example, start with simple sentences.
Say it with me. Simple.
Word number 8, slowly.
Slowly means not fast.
Speaking slowly is good.
Example, please speak slowly. I am learning.
Say it with me. Slowly.
Word number 9. Brave.
Brave means not afraid.
Be brave. Try speaking.
Example, be brave and speak English.
Say it with me. Brave.
Word number 10, progress.
Progress means getting better step by step.
Every day you make progress.
Example, I see my progress every week.
Say it with me. Progress.
Great job learning these words.
You are building your vocabulary.
Now, let's think about what we learned.
I will ask you some questions.
You can answer in your head. That is fine.
Question 1. Do you feel nervous when you speak English? Yes or no?
It is okay if you say yes.
Question 2. Do you make mistakes when you speak English?
Mistakes are good for learning.
Question 3. Do you practice English alone at home?
Speaking to yourself helps a lot.
Question 4. Do you listen to English every day?
Listening helps your brain learn.
Question 5. Do you use simple words when you speak?
Simple words work great.
Question 6. Where do you usually practice English?
At home? In class? On the bus?
Question 7. What do you do when your mouth freezes?
Do you stop? Do you try again?
Question 8. Do you speak slowly on purpose?
Speaking slowly is a good strategy.
Question 9. Do you write down new words?
Writing helps your memory.
Question 10. How many new words do you learn each week?
5, 10, 20?
Question 11. Do you have a friend to practice with?
A friend makes practice fun.
Question 12. Are you brave when you speak English?
Being brave helps you grow.
Question 13. Do you see your progress now?
Look how much you learned today.
Question 14. Will you practice more this week?
Practice is the key to success.
Question 15. Do you feel more confident now?
You should feel proud of yourself. Yes, you are amazing learners.
Remember, your mouth freezes because of fear.
Fear is normal. Do not let it stop you.
Practice helps you overcome the freeze.
Simple words, slow speed, and brave hearts.
You can do this. I believe in you.
Every day you practice makes you better.
Mistakes are your friends. They help you learn.
Thank you for listening to our podcast.
We love having you here with us.
Come back next time for more English learning.
Keep speaking, keep learning, keep growing.
You are doing great. Do not give up.
See you next time. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. Thank you for learning with us. Your learning journey doesn't stop here. Keep improving your English. Click the next video or explore more episodes we've picked just for you. See you in the next lesson.